Ladies and gentlemen, one more time for Rachel and Candy Rain.